We're gonna go here and we're gonna take the helicopter.
No. The water is down there.
Okay. Nice dress.
Where?
Where's
she wearing dressed in? Hi. Hi. Hi.
You're right.
Hi guys.
I don't know. We passed by here.
Hi.
Going to Texas.
They don't say hi back to me. Hi.
All day again.
Hi. Aw. Hey guys.
Hi.
Hey.
You're not looking.
Where's the park?
Keep it going now.
Then we have to walk all the way up here?
Yeah.
Is this the Hoover Dam?
Bye. Oh, can you go in there?
Where?
In there?
In the women's restroom? Sure.
Oh, I thought it was the elevator.
Okay, get down. Picture time, picture time. Open the picture and see what's inside.
What?
That made no sense.
Yeah, open the roof. What? She opened the roof.
Hoover Dam. We're at the Hoover Dam. All I see is rocks.
I smell chicken.
I smell poo.
Chicken.
Hey!
Hi.
Oh, look at what the wall fell on us.
That'd be creepy.
What if I run into it, crash into it?
You'd be stupid.
Let's stay there.
Where you park?
Down right there. We parked out there.
Oh, up there?
Yeah.
Nice tie.
Hi.
Peace. Who says peace?
Some girl.
Beef. 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 Look, Mommy, that's how
Oh, are we in Arizona?
Wow. Mommy, look how much food.
We're in Arizona. I've finally been to Arizona. Oh, cool.
We're in Arizona?
I said I've finally been to Arizona.
Oh, so this is the iced tea.
I've been in here twice. Wyoming.
Arizona!
Right here? Arizona. Right here. There.
There's room.
Right here. There.
Oh, they have Las Vegas shirts. That's cute.
Aww. There's no parking. There's no parking.
Oh.
Go. Keep going.
Parking right here.
There's even more stuff.
Woo.
Right there, right next to that car. Right?
Okay, go. They can wait. Can we fit? Whoa.